Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hardtravel.com, your AmaWaterways experts, and today I have the great pleasure of sailing the Nile, and we're here on board the beautiful AMA Dahlia. This is an incredible way to tour Egypt, and here you're in the top suite of the ship. You're going to find incredible views out the front with your large expansive veranda. You're also going to have quite a bit of space here inside the suite, and I'll talk about that in just a minute in tour, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with AmaWaterways around the world, you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel or book it right on hardtravel.com. We know we can help craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now with AmaWaterways, you always start with a land package here in Egypt. We started at the St. Regis in Cairo. It was a phenomenal experience. We got to tour the pyramids. We also got to go for a camel ride, tour the ancient capital of Memphis, and we loved the museum where we got to see an incredible amount of artifacts from up to 5,000 plus years ago. Now you're also going to find your flight included down here to Luxor where you'll board the ship, and then your journey will kick off. Now we have the full ship tour for you to check out. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now as soon as you walk in the door, you've got quite a bit of storage here. So it opens up and you've got hanging storage on the side and over here as well. You're going to find bathrobes and slippers, and of course they do have laundry at a very reasonable price. You'll have the umbrellas you can utilize throughout, and now let me take you into the bathroom. Now it's also a really nice large space. You're going to find plenty of storage space here on the vanity and underneath. You've got your hair dryer with the plug to the side, magnifying mirror, and then a large soaking tub. Toilet's tucked just behind, and then you're going to find a really nice size shower, rainfall shower head up above, an adjustable shower wand, along with your upgraded bath amenities. Next up is the living room. You've got a nice sofa that does fold out for additional bedding. Happen to be traveling with my daughter, and we're having an incredible time here on board. You've got a large television here that you can see from the couch. You've got storage underneath. You're also going to have your mini fridge that they'll keep stocked throughout your cruise. You've got plenty of water that they'll replenish as often as you like, and sodas. Now here behind, you've got quite a bit of storage here with the drawers. You're going to find a writing desk that doubles as a vanity. Throughout the cabin, you're going to find US and European plugs and USB chargers. You've got your coffee corner there as well, but of course you can take advantage of the espresso maker up at the lounge with no additional cost. Now you'll find the bedroom where the bed's together in the large configuration. It does separate apart into two twins if that's your preference. Just let your Hard Travel advisor know and they'll note the record. There's storage space underneath the bed for your large items. You got storage on either side with the nightstands, USB, European, and US chargers. Another flat panel TV here to the side, but I think the view that you'll love the most is looking out your French balcony. So you've got views out the side of the ship, but what's so special about this suite is the incredible veranda out the front. Let's check that out now. Now this is the perfect place to be as you're sailing up or down the Nile. You've got a nice lounge style seat here. You also have a table and two chairs. You can imagine a cup of coffee or tea in the morning as you enjoy the sunrise, or a beautiful sunset cocktail as you once again explore one of the great wonders of our world. We've enjoyed our time here on board AmaWaterways. This is an incredible suite where you can take advantage of those beautiful views. And of course, when you're ready to book your next AmaWaterways adventure anywhere in the world, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel. We know the space is inside and out and have an amazing relationship with the cruise line. And we know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Hard Travel signature service and those AmaWaterways touches every step of the way.